Do you want to become a profitable trader? Hi, I'm CA RUDRAMURTHY, author, trader, and trainer. Welcomes you to this pre-market report. Yes, Nifty on expected lines went and tested 16,600 zone. If you see yesterday's high, Nifty future made a high of 16,577. More or less, that big move towards 16,600 is already done. And let me tell you, those of you who only carried position from yesterday and you just had it shifted, then only you would have made money, because intraday Nifty made yesterday a very narrow range. It was just a range of about 76 points. That means intraday yesterday, if you would have bought, you would have made no money because Nifty ended at the lows of the day. However, day before, those who carried the position from levels of 16,300 350 zone, they straight got a gap up move of about 200 points on Nifty, and they reaped the benefits of this gap up and the bull run. Intraday traders yesterday, even though you were on the bull side, you would have lost. So understanding time frames are very important in order to profit from the market. And I'm sure in everyday's pre-market report, there's a big practical lesson coming to you. And if you keep making note of them and start implementing it, that is when you move from a losing trader to a profitable trader. Now the next big question, what today? If you observe SGX Nifty, it is just flat and expecting an opening around 16,500 zone. Today we have weekly expiry on Nifty, and I believe and I expect today will be a time consolidation day and market will be very range bound, and today is surely the time for option sellers to eat the theta or the time decay by selling both call as well as put option. What you can do is very simple: go and sell a 15,600 call option and go and sell again, let us say, a 15,400 put option. Eat the premium which exists on both the side, and that is where time decay or theta effect will kick in. Momentum traders and option buyers for expiry day, today is not the day for you to trade. You have to wait out, but anything can happen in market today. Even though I expect there is a high chance of market not trending, you might find a trending day, and then immediately trollers will come. When market listens to me and it gives you huge profit, people don't write anything, no feedback, hardly some 5-10 people appreciate the hard work what I do. But when it goes wrong, all these trollers who are sitting will be coming, jumping jacks, and they'll be telling, oh, this went wrong, you said market is not trending today but market trended today, all that. In fact, during live market hours, any changes if I have, that is where I update in my Twitter handle, I am Rudramurthy. And yesterday I told in my Twitter to book profits and come out of the trades whatever we had taken already 2-3 days back, and this week gave a wonderful profit. And let me tell you, today is the day to celebrate all the gains what you have made. And always there is an inner child within you, like how you charge your mobile phone every day. If the mobile phone is not charged every day, this does not work. You have to charge this mobile phone. Similarly, you have to charge yourself every day, and celebrate is the word. Small victories also start celebrating, then you get the big victories to come to, and keep people around you happy. And this is where, if your mind is happy, you will be happy everywhere. I always say, if you win it here, you will win it everywhere, and if you lose it here, you will also lose it everywhere. If you see crude oil prices, it is now again time wise consolidating at around $106 per barrel. Yesterday you have seen, because of the windfall gain taxes having reduced, you saw that huge move in oil refineries. Stocks like MRPL, Chennai Petro, even your Reliance Industry, everything made that big move on that positive news of reduction in windfall tax. Also, don't forget, For last 3 consecutive days, continuous days, FIIs have been net buyers in cash market, and every day their buying has progressively increased in last 3 days, and yesterday they have bought close to 1800 crores in cash market, which is a very positive sign. However, you have to understand this is result season. Each and every stock will react based on the results what they have announced, and this is where you have to be very stock specific and sector specific. One should also have patience as an option buyer here to wait out for right opportunity, because as an option buyer you can profit not just by finding the direction. Along with direction you have to catch even momentum. Very, very important. As an option buyer, momentum, if you miss or if you are unable to catch momentum, even though you are right on the direction, you will lose money. However, as an option seller, even though you are wrong on the direction, but if you are unable to even catch momentum, you will make money by selling deep out of the money option. This is where theta or time decay benefits you, but you have to understand, rather than selling options every day, no doubt markets are range bound for most of the time than it is trending, but rather than selling options every day, if you are able to avoid option selling on momentum days, your profits will be much more. And as an option buyer, if you have very limited capital and you cannot do option selling, you have no other option but to do option buying. But as an option buyer, understand, only 30% of the times market will be trending, and only on these days if you do the buying side of option, you will make money. Every day if you force a trade and when markets are not trending you take option buy, then you will lose all your money. This is where you have to understand the techniques, the secrets and the success rules of option trading, and I am giving it to you one by one every time in these kinds of video. And I'm sure each of these videos have given lot of inputs to you. Time to rest, and if you are an option seller, yes, this is the time to eat the time decay or theta and benefit from time wise consolidation or market doing dosa or going nowhere. And one has to be very stock specific in this scenario. I'm sure there is a lot of inputs which has come to you in this video. For live market updates, yes, come to Twitter handle I am Rudramurthy. I am there to help you out there during live market hours. With this, thanking you so much for watching today's program. Signing off, Rudramurthy.